Look at the comment section on any post about Te Tiriti and it's bloodier than the Red Wedding on Game of Thrones. But come with me. Step away from the comment section as we ask, what do New Zealanders really think about Te Tiriti? The Human Rights Commission has been asking this partai each year, and the latest results are in. In 2023, 6 in 10 New Zealanders said they felt informed about Te Tiriti. By 2025, that jumped to 9 in 10. So this is a kaupapa people know about. They're engaged. So who do people trust for accurate information about Te Tiriti? And it's not Hobson's pledge. People trust evidence. They trust historians and experts. And coming in at number 1 for trust, it's the Waitangi Tribunal, trusted by 45%. Next, the National Library of New Zealand, 36%. Third, books, podcasts and websites about New Zealand history, 33%. But who don't we trust? Down in the single digits, mainstream news media, 8%. Significantly down from 13% in 2024. Political parties, 7%. Members of Parliament, 7% also. And lucky last, social media, 6%. But there's someone who left them all for dust, and that someone is no one. Last year, 70% of New Zealanders said they trust no one for accurate information about Te Tiriti or Waitangi. That's higher than their trust in political parties, MPs or mainstream news. Despite everything though, New Zealanders strongly agree on some core things. 9 in 10 say it's important that people feel they belong, that human rights are protected and protected in law. There's also strong support for respectful discussion about Te Tiriti, positive Māori Crown relationships and legal protection for Te Tiriti. This is good news. But the scary news is that trust is plummeting faster than Nicki Minaj's Instagram followers. When fewer than 10% trust the loudest voices and 17% trust no one at all, shouting louder isn't the answer. Evidence is, trust is.